In this tutorial, I teach you how to achieve full, natural-looking brows. The key is in your application. Brush your brows in the opposite direction to wake them up, then brush them down. Using a very thin pencil, fill in the sparse areas with light flicking motions to create the most realistic-looking hairs, altering your brow shape ever so slightly. Fluff the hairs back into place and continue to draw tiny hair-like strokes to fill in your tail. Keep the tail of your brow in check. Overextending can create a droopy effect. To measure where the tail should end, take a pencil from the edge of your nose to the outer corner of your eye, and where that intersects with your brow should be where your brow ends. Leave a millimeter of space on the end for blending. Next, take a firm brow brush and using a brow powder that is lighter than your pencil, diffuse your strokes by lightly blending. Use small flicking motions, lightly blending outward to the very edge of your brow tail. Lightly diffuse the front of your brows for a soft, full effect. To finish off the perfect brow, use a clear brow gel to comb your brows upwards to lift the eye. Use a spoolie brush to remove any excess product and then gently settle the stray hairs back into place without touching the rest of the main brow. Here's what it looks like before styling and after styling. The perfect, natural, full brow.